Good morning friends. Today I will tell you how to interface a relay module with Arduino Mega. So over here we have a VCC means 5 volt and this is ground, and over here we are using two digital pins, the pin number 7 and pin number 8. So on the relay module we have two relays, and over here we have VCC, another is ground, and two input signals from the Arduino Mega. Right now I am using two digital pins. You can operate using analog pin also. In the separate video I will tell you, or in the continuation of this I will tell you how to operate relay with digital pin and how to operate with analog pin. So right now I am using digital pin. So first you just go to software part, and over here you have to just open, and over here you have to select the COM port. So in this case my COM port is 7, and you have to just close, and in this you have to just take right digital signal because we have to generate a signal in this case. So just connect this, and I am taking a copy of this because in this case I have to generate two digital signals. So as you see, I just connect these, and I just take a simple error handler to handle the error, and take a while loop for continuous reading of this, continuous writing, not reading in this case. And over here you have to just select the pin number. So my pin number is 7, and over here you have to just select the value, and over here again the pin number 8, and I just take two push buttons. So push button 1 and push button 2. So over here this is my relay 1 and this is my relay 2. Okay, so you have to just arrange these, not like this, like this, and over here the pin number 7 goes to this relay, and over here we have to relay 2. Control U, and I just take two signals that the relay is on or off. Okay, so over here my relay 1 output, and this is my relay 2 output of relay 2. Okay, so just connect these. So relay 1 is connected to this and relay 2 is connected to this. Control U, minimize the space, and when you hit on run button, so first you have to just install the interfacing file using Maker Hub. So over here as you see, Arduino, select the board, next, then COM port, next, next. It will take hardly 30 seconds for the interfacing file. As you see, just finish this task, and hit on run button. When I hit on run button, and over here I just, right now both the pins are on, off, off, on, off. So right now using this you can operate these relays. Okay, So this is how you can interface relay module with Arduino Mega. So this is the switching of relay 2 and this is the switching of relay 1. So this is how you can generate multiple digital signals using Arduino Mega. As you see right now, both are in off condition. On, relay 2 is on, relay 1 is also on. As you see, LED glow. Okay, so this is how you can interface a relay module with Arduino Mega. Thank you.